The hospitality hub comes off of Raccoon Road here, comes into this large parking lot. There are the tennis courts, pickleball courts, the swimming pool, education center and nature center, a camp store, boat launch, and of course it's located on Middle Lake. Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the hospitality hub here in the Gulf State Park Campground. It's located just off of Raccoon Road, and as you can see there's a boat launch into the lake, a camp store and laundry facilities, nature center and education center, swimming pool and splash pad, tennis courts / pickleball courts that are getting used great today. Thank you for watching the videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll have another video of the park coming up next week. Thank you for watching. This is Middle Lake here at the Gulf State Park Campground. Clouds starting to move in. Lots of activity over at the pickleball courts today. Here at the camp store. And you can buy firewood here at the camp store. And this is the camp store. This place brings back lots of memories. And these are the laundry facilities here at Gulf State Park. Tons of washers and dryers. And not a bad place if you've got to do your laundry while you're down here. You can actually go out in that little center section and got a pretty good view of Middle Lake.
Probably.
And this is the Gulf State Park Nature Center. This is a loggerhead sea turtle. This is the kind that we have nest mainly on our beaches. Some animal pelts. And this is a display of the loggerhead sea turtle nest. And the sand showing the babies coming up out of it. The swimming pool and splash pad, playground area, just beyond that, horseshoes, an activity center, and Middle Lake. And here behind me is the Nature Center and Education Center.